Contestant number 1, Elisha R. Mara. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Elisha R. Mara.
I don't even know where you've been before, but I make it right. Get your first time, your first time. Cause you
Woo! Now we come to the next contestant, number 3. That is Safira Lin Bingo. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Safira Lin Bingo.
But I make it right. Get your first time, your first time. Cause you got something bright in those dark eyes.
Make some noise, ladies and gentlemen. She is Safira Lin Bingo. That is Happy, bye bye, happy, woo! And now, Tisha Lapa. Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen. Come on.
Bottles getting low, bodies getting high. In the neon light, and the pink sky. I don't even know where you've been before, but I make it right. Get your first time, your first time. Cause you've got something bright in those stars.
Happy birthday, komentar joining contestant number 3. Iba Shisha Lapa, happy birthday, joining. Let's put your hands together for Risha Irani. Risha Irani. And a round of applause for Risha Irani. And now, the last. Baru Aidil Happy Makarpa dan kemenangan kontestan baik Berjenti Walang. A round of applause for all the 8 participants, all the 8 contestants of the first Miss Western Boys 2018. Happy bye-bye bertajuk Ibarah Ramos. Ini mana? Okey, yat kinang, ini pet kinang emban keren. Ini ya. Okey, kajing jate. Yang sengapan sekejapnya keren. Ini. Okay, I requested all the participants to get ready and come as you are and be in your position. Nang tapat, nakerpat ya iba rasyuki ba insop ready. Hadir bagi contestant kilawan hajong ke stage. Nakerpat di iba pinda ikitu syuki. Mo. Okay, here we go. Please welcome on stage. Let the music be played, and here comes contestant number. On stage, contestant number 2, contestant number 2, Sweetie Sakli. Tapti, bye-bye, Tapti. Okay, next, contestant number 3, Safira Lin Ding Dong. Tapti, bye-bye, nak peta joki. Contestant number 4, Vivika Wala. Contestant number 5, Lucy Mary Pargong. Lucy Mary Pargong. Contestant number 5. And now contestant number 6, Ibashisha Lapang. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, Ibashisha Lapang. Next, contestant number 7, Risha L. Rani. Woo! Make some nice, ladies and gentlemen. And now, the last but not the least, contestant number 8, Martin T. Wala. Here's our applause, ladies and gentlemen, for all these contestants of the day. You got my point? You got it? Okay. So the question is, if you will be crowned as the first Miss Western Boy, what is the first thing that you want to do? And what is your message? Kajingkali kalau kumi lada yapi lada pinlong inong job ibanung kong jong ke competition ke first Miss Western Boy ka kabapi kwa benle nung kong nung sabe and ka ka kubor ka jong pi means shaki way pa. Okay, tekani ka question. Okay, please light चाहिए दादा, अंधेरा हो गया लाइट चाहिए वो सफेद वाला दीजिए, सफेद वाला दीजिए, सफेद वाला ओके क्लियर बरकाय Kena Tom Snake hot betul. Okey. Shower pergi belum? Dah. Bila you look at Kli Barakat, if you will be crowned as the first Miss Western Boy, what is the first thing that you want to do, and what is your message? You got that? Okay. Dengan kepada faithful Syaidan. Okay. I requested one. Your time started now. Stopping. Must non-stop. Raise your pen up. You got 7. Check.
You'll be there, tempat